Meaning of employment tribunal.
Employment tribunal.
Employment tribunal.
Employment tribunal.
Employment tribunal. An employment tribunal is a legal body in the United Kingdom that resolves disputes between employers and employees concerning employment rights. The tribunal hears cases related to unfair dismissal, discrimination, redundancy payments, and other workplace issues. After hearing evidence from both parties, the tribunal makes a decision or awards damages, which are legally binding. In some cases, either party can appeal the decision. The result of an employment tribunal can have significant financial and reputational consequences for the parties involved and may impact future employment practices.